How to buy Kaspa on Kucoin. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to buy Kaspa using the Kucoin application, first and foremost make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. In order to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar and type in Kucoin. Head over to the update button and tap on it. This might take a while depending upon your internet connection, and once it has been updated to the latest version, tap on the open button to launch the app. Next step is log in using your credentials or passkey. Now that you have logged in, tap on the search bar again, and this time you'll have to type in Kaspa. Then after, look for the token KAS. You can see different kinds of trading pairs such as KAS/USDT/BTC, so tap on the one that you want to use. I will be selecting on KAS/USDT pair. Next option is tapping on it and it will take you to this page. From here you can see all the details about the coin, recommendation and the chart as well. So now you'll have to tap on the buy button, and then on the next screen in the limit order section you will see the current price of KAS. You can enter the amount of USDT you would like to spend to purchase the KAS and tap on the buy button to place your order. Now you can check the status of your purchase on the order history, and to see the Kaspa holdings you can visit the Assets tab, which is on the bottom right corner of the app. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.